How to scan and store business cards using your phone. There are tons of apps out there, but some stand out. Here are a few popular options. HubSpot Business Card Scanner. This free app integrates directly with HubSpot CRM, making it a breeze for sales and marketing teams. We also have scan-based cards, Haystack, Full Contact. Download your chosen app from the App Store or Play Store. Once you're done downloading, create an account. Most apps require you to create a free account. The app will need access to your camera and storage. Launch the app and navigate to the scanning feature. Go to the category that says Contacts. You will now have the option to either scan business card or scan QR code. Once you are done, save the contact, sync with your phone, or export to CRM.